Hey guys, I'm Dave, your CNC newbie. So today I'm unpacking all the goodies I got from the CNC. Basically all around me I've got all the parts and the parts that I got pre-made as well. Like the side panels and the longer angle aluminium, as well as the longer lead screws, because I'm making a bit bigger machine. I'm not going to bore you with the whole build process because, well, CNC has a great build series. In fact, I got on my iPad here ready to go get started on the build. I want to show the packaging was great. I didn't want to do an unboxing because, well, unboxings are lame, especially when I got to have one hand holding the camera. But the packaging is really good. Stuff's kind of is organized into these little bags of stuff. I guess like the little steps that we're going to need, so kind of makes it easier. All the lead screws came in. The 3D printed parts, they have already pre-assembled part of it. With pushing this in, I guess it's kind of a bit tricky to get the cable in place, but that's the power housing. Metal, they got a lovely letter here saying thank you for buying on, which is appreciated. Here they got the build plate. I'm probably gonna have to make a bigger build plate because my machine's bigger. This won't be enough, I guess. Or can I actually build on a like a bigger mill on a bigger bit of wood that's glued onto here? I don't know, we'll find out. This is a very heavy bit of metal. I guess this is the gantry. The what would be Z gantry, but we'll find out in a sec. But this is, I'm surprised actually, this is really meaty. And yeah, nothing too exciting here. I got a bunch of other stuff come in from Banggood. Like, I got this brush roll. So basically it rolls out to a nice straight ribbon of brush, I guess. Because I'm going to be building the dust shoe for it, and I figure that I can just kind of hot glue on the outside of my dust shoe that I want to make. Should be really simple. Once again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to work it out as I go. But thankfully I do have the video from CNC to help me build it up. Links in the description of all the stuff that I'm going to be making, and probably catch you once it's a bit more built. See ya. Okay, so far the build is going pretty good. So I've got all the V wheels on, got everything screwed up. The cool thing was that these actually they already got the brass insert that came installed, which is really nice. One thing that's odd, I think these actually screws here sit proud of this plate. I'll have to check that, but right now it feels like they stick out maybe just a little bit, so we'll see. But right now I've got to stop the build because I'm running into a bit of a snag. So with my long angle brackets that I got made up, these are going to be for the much bigger, extra 100 millimeters. So I got a friend of mine to drill all the holes because he's a drill and a tap and a metal workshop. So I got him to drill the holes. Unfortunately, he didn't quite drill them exactly where they need to be. So each hole is off by like 1 and a bit millimeters, maybe 1 to 2 millimeters, which doesn't sound like much, but when you're trying to screw brackets in, that's a lot. So, thankfully, the brackets that I need to be adjusting are 3D printed, not metal, which is really nice. So basically I need to measure the distance for each hole and create custom brackets for each end now. So it's going to take a while because right now my 3D printer is working making the router mount. So that router mount's got another maybe 20 odd hours to go on the print. It's a really long print, a really high infill. Actually, I think these have got really high infill too. They feel really dense. But yes, that gives me some time to try to measure it. Luckily, with Onshape, modifying the files is really easy, but it just means I need to label each end, label each bracket, measure, and create custom ones for each one. So yeah, I want to get onto that. So it's going to be a little bit longer before I can do another update, just because that's kind of the next step I'm up to, where I need to attach the motors. We'll basically remove the motors from here now, attach it to my new ones, attach them to here, and the frame can start going together. Anyway, I'm going to catch you guys in a bit. Yeah, there'll probably be a few more days before I can continue. I'll catch you guys later.